Hey guys, it's Carter, and in today's video, we are going to be diving in and looking at should you buy Meta stock. So I hope you guys all enjoy the video. If you guys get anything out of it, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to learn more about investing, I do have a course, so I'll put that down below so you guys can at least check it out. So let's just kind of jump right into it. Well, right now, Meta stock is down about 53% in the last 6 months, which is absolutely terrible. Comparing that to the S&P 500, the S&P 500 is only down about 25%. So pretty much investing in Meta, you would have lost double the amount of money than investing in the general market, which means there's a huge opportunity cost right now with Meta. So why is Meta getting destroyed? Well, right now, I think the reason why we're seeing so much sell-off from the stock is because they're taking a lot of the cash flow and cash from the business and investing billions of dollars into the VR and in metaverse. And I definitely think there's really two options that could occur with doing that. The first option is, okay, this is not worth it, right? Mark Zuckerberg, he pretty much eventually realizes that VR and the metaverse is not the future of technology and AI. And he eventually closes the program, and then, Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp continues to grow, and the stock eventually rebounds from that because they can continue to invest back into other high quality, high functioning things inside the business. The second option is, holy crap, this thing works, right? This thing works. VR is the future. The metaverse is the future. And since they've already invested billions of dollars, they have such a huge advantage over other companies, and they just went through some sort of awkward phase with the company. So, and I definitely think all leaders of sectors have gone through some sort of high volatile, high risk, some sort of awkward phase in the company. And that's what's going on with Meta. A very, very similar situation happened with Tesla several years back, where Tesla was just pretty much underperforming everything. The stock was extremely volatile. All the analysts were saying never touch it, but Tesla, being Tesla, continued to invest into high functioning things inside the company that blew up. So right now, Meta is doing something very, very similar. They slowly realize that Facebook will eventually die or slow down and kind of just hit a level that it just can't grow as fast. So they're taking a lot of their profits and investing into something that they believe is the future. Is that the case? I don't know. I don't know if the metaverse or, VR is going to be the future. I definitely think it carries some sort of long-term potential. But answering that question that everybody has is, should you buy Meta? I think it all comes down to pretty much two things again: risk and time frame. What is your risk tolerance, and what is the time frame you hope to make your money back? And if you're looking for a low risk investment, obviously this is not going to be the option. If you're looking for an option that getting rich quick, this is not going to be the option. This option is looking 2 to 5, 6 years out in the future at possible getting your money back. So I definitely think it just all comes down to mindset, and having some sort of outlook, to at least 6 years out, and kind of diving back into the risk tolerance. Me personally, I am not going to be going super, super heavy into Meta because of the risk, right? High growth, high risk, high reward. Personally, I'm keeping this stock under 5% of my portfolio size, meaning for every $100 I have invested into other stocks, assets, bonds, ETFs, all that good stuff, I don't mind putting $5 or $3 into this stock. And then the beauty of it is, if it pops up, you always can buy more. But if it sells off, you're only out, 5% of your portfolio, which is not that much. So I definitely think, guys, answering the question, for me, I don't mind taking a stab at it. You just have to understand those risk tolerances. And I just think it's going to be a bumpy road ahead with Meta. I just think right now the VR and all that stuff is fantastic. One, they just released a new one, which is $1,500, which is extremely expensive if you want my honest opinion. And the reason why is because people want something entertaining. They have an Xbox, which is, $300-400, or they have this headset, which is $1,500. So it definitely just, it's just a more expensive audience, which I just don't think is going to pan out. And they understand, very similar to Tesla, you have to be expensive off the rip so you can get some of that cash flow back. But that's what I think is kind of going on with the company, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. It really, really helps me out when you guys do that. So we'll see you guys later in another episode. Take care. We'll see you later.